It's known as the City of Angels, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and flavors that fuses historic heritage with ultra-modern convenience. Bangkok attracts over 20 million visitors a year, but only a very select few get to see it in all its luxurious glory. Until now. We take you on a journey to discover funky urban hideaways.
When you build a hotel, you kind of want the guests to walk in and feel like, wow, they can feel it. There's a soul to it.
To a luxury river cruise and world-class shopping.
We need the best of Thailand to meet the best of the world.
Plus fine dining at one of the city's most hard-to-book restaurants.
Everyone was taking pictures of it. That's when I know that, okay, this is famous dish.
This is First Class Bangkok. There's no shortage of contenders for those yearning for a 5-star stay in Bangkok. For a Thai-owned option, there's the Sayum, which has been described as a one-of-a-kind, heritage-style escape from the city's hustle and bustle.
The Siam is an ultra-luxury hotel on the banks of the Chao Phraya River. We're known for our exclusivity and our size, with only 38 suites and pool villas. There's really unlike anything like this in Bangkok.
This unique family-owned hotel has been described as having a Thai meets West charm. Its founder is rock star turned hotelier Krisada Sukasol Klopp.
For me, building a hotel is like being the director of a movie where you're telling a story. You would want audiences to walk into the theater and feel something, especially when they walk out. So when you build a hotel, you kind of want the guests to walk in and feel like, wow, they can feel it. There's a soul to it, which is difficult because it's not tangible. It's about telling a good story.
And to help tell the story, Chris hired world-renowned architect and interior designer Bill Bensley.
In a way, we became co-directors. That's how I see things. We became bandmates, and we brought this song out, this film out for everyone to join us. Well, the interior design of the space was a combination that we wanted to create between part of historical Thai architecture during the King Rama V period, where our buildings became more westernized, more deco, and we wanted to bring that history to contemporariness.
We provide a luxury experience to our guests, basically through our amazing team. The butlers really become the personal assistant for every guest, and that guest will, be able to organize everything, whether it's a special dinner out, whether it's arranging things to be delivered to the hotel, whether it's arranging to go on our boat and explore the Grand Palace. The butlers really will make everything happen during their stay.
And to help you have an unforgettable stay, the hotel's most exclusive option is the Riverside Pool Villa.
The villa gives a guest a complete sense of privacy, to have your own private courtyard with plunge pool, to go upstairs and sit on your deck and watch the sunset in the evening over the river, or just relax inside these incredible bedrooms and bathrooms. There's really no other escape in Bangkok like it.
And beyond the rooms, the hotel has a lot on offer.
The Siam has many facilities at the hotel. Our dining options really are the spearhead. We have an incredible spa. We even do traditional Sakyant tattoos in our spa for something really unique. We have a great gym, incredible boxing ring in there as well, so guests can do Muay Thai boxing there. And then we have all these other hidden corners. Vinyl room with 400 vinyl records. We have a library with a private cinema. We even have an art gallery with Bill Bensley artworks and a Jim Thompson store. So there's so much, even just for 38 rooms, and that's really what our guests appreciate.
Wherever you decide to lay your head, once you've checked in and rejuvenated, then it's time to explore what Bangkok has on offer. Bangkok became the capital of Thailand in 1782, and for visitors, there's plenty to see and do. If you have cash to splash, then this city is also packed with high-end eateries, 33 of which boast Michelin stars. Saor was one of the world's first 2 Thai restaurants to gain 2 Michelin stars. And for its chief creator, it's all about family tradition, with his grandmother providing the inspiration for dishes that come from southern Thailand.
My philosophy, actually, it's just simple. Love your food, love your customer, and cook honestly.
And if you think all Thai food is the same, think again, as this chef's Southern-only mantra means that nearly all the ingredients are sourced from the South's 14 provinces.
Southern cuisine is very different actually, because if you look at Thailand, the map is the shape of the X, and the southern part is the shape of the X, which for the fact that the food is developed by the geography and history. So the shape of the X surrounded by the ocean, and for thousands of years it's become the unique southern food, which a lot of seafood, from the Muslim, from the Chinese, we have the spice and everything, so a lot of curry.
The restaurant is known for its signature dishes, which include khao yum, a traditional rice salad, as well as the now Instagram famous crab stick.
I call it crab stick because I don't know what to call, but in Thai it's called ganchien pu. It's the best part of the crab. My grandma always give me this part called ganchien, or the arm of the crab. So coat with the namprik, khai pu or chili paste, and put it together and put in the mortar shape bowl, so it looked like the mortar. Everyone was taking picture of it, and everyone asked for a second one. That's when I know that, okay, this is famous dish. I didn't know it was a hit, but it was a hit. And so we never take it out.
Saor was only established in 2018, and it quickly became one of Bangkok's top restaurants. For this chef, though, only one thing really matters.
What my dream was on is every guest leaving here have one of the best memories in their life, and somehow they return, and that's all.
We're taking a tour around the Thai capital, Bangkok, where shopping is an essential part of any itinerary. One place visitors can shop till they drop is Icon Siam, which offers high-end brands and boutiques. This gargantuan 750,000 square meter riverside complex cost over $1.5 billion to build and is divided into theme zones. Head over to Icon Lux for all the high-end luxury boutiques your credit card can take.
All of our luxury brands are located in Icon Lux, which is 3 stories and houses over 30 brands. We need the best of Thailand to meet the best of the world. So we approached all of the best luxury brands in the world. We didn't want them to just open another door. It had to be unique. So we really did a lot of co-creation together.
One highlight is the Bulgari Boutique, which is modeled after the luxury group's flagship store in Rome. VIPs here get to enjoy a discreet space known as the Elizabeth Taylor Lounge, which replicates the one built in Rome, especially for the Hollywood star.
Every boutique here you see is unique to Icon Siam. You will never see a boutique like this anywhere else in the world.
สวัสดีค่ะ
And for those ready to splash some serious cash, a personal shopper is on hand to cater to their every need.
So everyone who is our top spender, they get access to a special lounge that we call Infinite Lounge. And in that lounge, we have personal shoppers. So the personal shopper essentially can do anything for you. They can book a restaurant for you. They can book a hair appointment for you. They can do anything for you at Icon Siam. They're also an important link with the luxury brands. So the luxury brands have new products. They have events. Our personal shopper will reach out to our customers and invite them. So we offer a lot of money cannot buy experiences for our shoppers. There is a minimum spend to get access to our Infinite Lounge, and that is $100,000 upwards.
Even the decor here has been designed with opulence in mind. Gold dominates, a color ubiquitous with traditional Thai architecture.
We have our golden pillars that have been hand-painted by an award-winning Thai artist. So the pillars go all the way up to the ceiling. That has 40,000 gold leaf individual pieces that were hand-pressed to create this magnificent golden ceiling. When you enter into this mall, you can't help but go, wow, I have never seen anything like this in my life.
After all that shopping, it's time to slow things down and venture off the concrete path. And there's no better way to watch the world go by than this.
Sawadee. So my name is Remy. I'm in charge for Lokpela. I'm the manager and overseeing all the operations for the cruise. So right now we're on Loy River Song. So that's actually our biggest cruise ship.
The Chao Phraya River is the heart and soul of the capital, and when travelers explore it by boat, they get to see all aspects of Thailand's culture and history. Luxury cruise company Loy Pela Voyages offers an all-inclusive 3-day round-trip cruise from modern-day Bangkok to the ancient capital of Ayutthaya. The boats can be chartered exclusively, offering up to 8 passengers the ultimate private getaway.
Loy Pela is a very unique journey here in Bangkok. We're actually looking back at the history of Thailand, and during this trip we allow the guests to have an overview of different cultural activities for them to really go back into the history of what Thailand was before. What makes Loy Pela such a luxurious experience are 3 different things. Number one, the journey that we're going through. We are one of the only one offering this historical journey towards Ayutthaya. Number 2 would be the service. We are providing here an ultra-personalized service. And number 3, the facilities. We have on board here all what luxury 5-star hotel can provide on the water, basically. So the amenities on this boat, Loy River Song, we have 4 different cabins. So the 4 cabins are named after the 4 different rivers that form Chao Phraya. We have 1 master bedroom, 1 suite bedroom, and 2 other king bedrooms. On the upper deck over here, we have a living room, the private kitchen as well, and a sun deck at the front. Every time we go on a cruise, depending on the number of guests that we have at least 1 butler for 2, and then we always have 2 captains because for safety reasons, and we always have at least 2 chefs on board as well to make sure that we can prepare all the guest requirements.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Gay. I am a chef butler here on Loy Pela Voyage. Welcome on board. I have to provide 24-hour service for the guests, including food and beverage, personal assistant. Be with the guests at all times when guests need. So that is my role.
Guests get to enjoy more than just river life. They can also partake in offshore adventures, including cycling excursions and temple explorations, all with a personal guide, of course.
Basically, from the moment you arrive on board to the moment you leave our boat, every single details are really cared of when it comes to service, when it comes to food, when it comes to all the experiences and travels that you will do in Ayutthaya and in Bangkok. And paying attention to all details will be how we make Loy Pela's cruise different. People that are coming on Loy Pela are coming for a unique experience, and people that are really eager to discover Thailand, as Thailand is really in the countryside and in the history. The takeaway leaving Loy Pela would be obviously this feeling of coming back. I think when we travel, we always look for memorable experiences and things to remember in a positive way, and I think being on Loy Pela really cuts you out of this world and this craziness of an everyday life and everyday routine. So I think going out of Loy Pela, you will remember how much you want to come back to it.
So that's it. We've shopped, dined, even traversed down the River of Kings. This has been a first-class tour of Bangkok, usually reserved for the rich.